At Te Wānanga o Aotearoa, we care about your tauira journey. Our student support advisors are here to make your journey as stress-free as possible. We can help you choose a course, guide you through the enrolment process, and equip you with the tools you need to complete your mahi. We can even help you develop the study skills you need to pass your course. If you need help with finances, we can assist you to get all the support you're entitled to. Like help with StudyLink, work and income, and applying for scholarships. Your health and well-being is important. We can help you find a counsellor or healthcare provider to make sure that you're fit and healthy while you study with us. If you have a disability that could impact on your study, we may be able to offer extra support to make your tauira journey more comfortable. We can help you reach your goals by helping you plan your career, prepare a CV and cover letter, enroll with student job search, and brush up on job search skills. We also provide guidance if you have complaints about your experience. We're here to assist you to achieve success.